Hey everyone, it's me Curtis. Welcome back to my channel if you are a subscriber, or welcome if you're new. Today's video is going to be another fact video. You guys seem to like these fact videos, so today I'm bringing you 10 facts that you may or may have not known, or just personally that I found interesting about the zebra Danio. If you do not know, the zebra Danio is a very common fish kept by aquarium hobbyists, and people who just keep fish in general for fun. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to be giving you guys some facts today about them, and if you enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoy the video. So getting right on into the first fact, zebra Danios actually mate for life. Meaning just that once they mate with someone once to produce eggs and fish, they will only mate with that person for the rest of their lives. The second fact is that zebra Danios are actually known to be a peaceful communal fish to keep in an aquarium. However, they are also very notorious for picking and nipping at long-finned fish such as betas, angelfish, and some types of guppies. Fact 3 is that guppies are actually a cold water fish, meaning that they do well with certain kinds of goldfish and other cold water fishes. Fact 3 is that, oh my goodness, Curtis. Fact 3 about the zebra Danio is that they are actually a cold water fish. This means that they prefer waters in the temperatures anywhere from 64 to 75 degrees. The fourth fact is that zebra Danios are also known as zebrafish. So if you're looking up like how to care for zebra Danios and zebrafish comes up, it's perfectly fine to use that information because, like I said, zebrafish are the same thing as zebra Danios. The fifth fact about zebrafish is that they're actually a schooling fish. Now, when you hear a school of fish, you probably think of a million fish because that's really how they are in the wild, and that's what we should really do to try and replicate that when we have them in captivity. Therefore, because they are a schooling fish, you should have ideally at least, like, people consider at least 3, but really you should have at least 5 or 6 so that they can have some sort of choice with who and if they want to breed with a mate. So the sixth fact can be kind of offensive, but I'm going to include it on here because I thought it was really interesting, as I did not know this before I actually purchased my own zebrafish. However, they are known to confuse bigger fish and stop them from fighting, actually, because of their ADHD or very hyperactive behavior. So I guess because their behavior is so like jolty and they're so fast and they are very active, it can throw off the mentality of bigger fish who are wanting to fight. Of course, you should not get zebrafish just for this intention, just because this is not a fact. This is just something that aquarium hobbyists and researchers have discovered, but it is not a fact, like I said, and you should not just get zebrafish to stop your cichlids or whatever from trying to kill each other. The seventh fact actually supports one of the previous facts that I mentioned, and that is that zebrafish can get up to 2 inches in length or 5 centimeters. And what I mean when I say refers back is that this is actually a great size because they don't get too big, making them a very easy fish to have or cohab in captivity because they don't get very big and won't need that much space. For the longest time, people did not know where exactly zebrafish were coming from, but they were being found in a lot of stagnant ponds, flowing rivers, and a bunch of like bodies and types of water. But after some extensive research, scientists found that zebrafish or zebra Danios are actually from eastern India. The ninth fact about zebra Danios is that they are actually very commonly used, to cycle tanks. What this means is that pretty much they're used to get some beneficial bacteria and algae and things like that growing and cycling in the tank with the filtration and the water to get pH levels and salinity and all that type of stuff balanced before adding other more not hardy fish or plants to that aquarium. And the 10th fact is that their lifespan is 2 to 5 years. I did not think that this was bad for such a tiny fish, and if you take care of them very well, 5 years is a long time, like I said, to have a tiny fish like this. And just to add on, they are very hardy, so this, 4 to 5 year lifespan should not be hard to attain. That is it for today's video, guys. I hope you did enjoy learning a little bit more about the zebra Danio, and maybe if you do not know some of these facts, that you found some of them cool. Let me know down below in the comments which ones you thought were the most interesting, if you thought one of them was more interesting than any of the others. And don't forget to subscribe if you did like today's video and would like to not miss any more of my future content just like today's. You can also follow me on Twitter and Instagram, which I'll have the link like somewhere in the bottom right here. And I actually run my own Etsy shop where I sell pet supplies, like I said, of course, through Etsy, where I sell stuff for rodents, reptiles, bugs, and more. So if you want to go check that out, the links to that will be in the description of my videos, as it is in all of them. But until next time, I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video, and I hope to see you all in the next one.